Cooking with Charlie. So today we're going to be making some chicken chow mein, but except a little Charlie spice adding to this chicken chow mein. As you can see here, these are all the ingredients for the chicken chow mein. So originally you would use for a chicken chow mein hoisin and oyster sauce, but let's put these two to the side right now because we're not going to be using these. So now we're gonna mash up the onions. So I just wanted to give a tip, and I'm going to give that one because it's just really good to hide onions in your kids' food so they won't notice that it's made with onions. Unless they do like onions, then totally. You don't have to do this. But I prefer this. Now we're gonna cut the red pepper from these two sides. I'm gonna probably do it like this. So then you wanna cut through this part. This is how I like to cut up my garlic. So I like to cut down through the middle first. Oh, the carrots are in my way. Kind of like that. And you want them probably as small as possible. Then you kind of want to cut it into corners like that. And then put them in a little pile. And then make sure all the stuff is out of the way. And once you have that, I just go like this. So when I have a good space, I go to the big chunks, and then it gets cut up pretty small. Once you're done chopping up pretty much everything, you want to heat up your pan at a medium for that. And then once it's heated up, you want to start with the oil and make a little puddle in your frying pan. So about that probably. And you want your red pepper flakes. That because I really like it spicy. But then you want the onions that you chopped up. And stir it up a bit so that spreads out equally. And then, I nearly forgot, you want to add the garlic. Alright, so we gotta be quick here because all the food is burning. So first you wanna add the carrots. I dropped the feet, but that's fine. Then you mix it up a bit. Alright, so now we're gonna cut the bottom of the cabbage out. And this is fine. Now you just want to cut up anything, all this other stuff, into strips, kind of. Cut up all this cabbage. Now you're going to put all the cabbage in with all the other stuff. Blah. So this is a half a cup of soy sauce. Oh no, so much. Then we have a quarter cup of Mirin style sweet cooking seasoning.
Rice wine?
Rice wine.
Vinegar, really?
Vinegar, really. And then you take a scoop. a teaspoon of the, what was it called? Ground fresh chili paste.
How does that smell?
Smells great. Wait, actually it kind of smells like salsa.
Oh.
Yeah, it actually kind of does.
Alright.
Boop, one of those. And then next we take basically like a spoonful of honey. And it's fine if you have like a bit too much of honey, or else it'll just be like a bit more sweet. So
Must be a
not-
teaspoon.
Like
Roughly.
a teaspoon, but can't go wrong with honey.
Nope.
So, yeah, I'll have about that. And in here. And you just mix this all up. Alright, so after that, you want to add in the rest of the stuff into the same pan. So there goes the red peppers into there. Then you add all the sauce. Then you just, oh, that sounds cool. Then you just add in the chicken. No, we lost we lost 3 soldiers, 3 casualties. This is not good. Calling for backup. We need more chicken. Calling for backup. Oh no, we lost. Another airstrike took down 15 more chickens. After we had to bury all the men who got left and entered the abyss of darkness, we settled their graveyards and had a funeral for all of them, each one. So after that, all you need to do is mix up. And yeah, once it's all mixed up, you just have to wait a bit, add the noodles, and then you can just add the shrimp after you added the... Another 3 more casualties. Move in, move in. Now we gotta dump in the shrimp. Boom. Mix that a bit. So much. I also took a little taste test with a wooden spoon. It's very good right now. Honestly, I feel like you guys watching this definitely like, and I just touched the pan, but it didn't burn me. Surprising. Cut up some green onions for garnish. Alright, so now we're gonna add our noodles here. And these are rice noodles. We're using the al dente version to cook them. And this is not fully cooked yet, but we're gonna finish cooking it in the pan so it soaks up all of the sauce. Okay, the smell is fantastic. I can't get over the smell. And this is what it looks like, all finished. And I'm about to taste test it. And this, I can already guarantee it, it's gonna taste phenomenal. I wanna get a scoop of kind of everything, so I'll grab the shrimp too. Okay, this is a good scoop. That's so good. And the flavor, and it's soaked into all the chicken and shrimp, and the noodles adds like a thin layer to all of the chicken goodness. It's just phenomenal. Yeah, I would recommend cooking this. One of the best dishes ever.